The protesting farmers on Delhi's border have now sought a nod from Delhi police to hold their tractor rally on capital's Ring Road. The farmers are meeting Delhi, Haryana and UP police officials. They have asked for permission to hold the tractor march on Republic Day. They have assured that their march is not going to be causing any kind of disturbances. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is going to be resuming hearing on Delhi police's plea seeking an injunction against the proposed tractor rally on 26th of January. In the last hearing, the top court had called it a law and order issue and given a free hand to Delhi police to decide on whether to allow farmers in Delhi or not. Farmers are preparing for the mega tractor parade on Republic Day but have stated that they will call it off if Supreme Court restrains them from going ahead.
जो पुलिस ने इजाज़त देनी है या केंद्र सरकार ने इजाज़त देनी है उनको देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि नागरिक हैं, देश के किसान अन्नदाता हैं, उनका भी गणराज्य में हिस्सा लेने के लिए, परेड करने के लिए उतना ही हक है। असली तो सिर्फ परेड इसलिए कर रहे हैं, एक तो गणराज्य मनाने की बात है, दूसरी ये है कि इसके एक बहरे कान है ना जो सरकार के, वो खुल जाएँ, उसका एक रोष करना चाहते हैं और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से करना चाहते हैं, अनुशासन डिसिप्लिन के साथ करना चाहते हैं।
26 तारीख की परेड को लेकर के संशय बरकरार है, क्या पुलिस से कुछ परमिशन मिला है, नहीं मिला है?
पुलिस को परमिशन दिया करे, पुलिस परमिशन थोड़ा देती है, तो हम परमिशन नहीं देते कभी,
बिना परमिशन के
हम सूचना देते हैं चैनल के माध्यम से, अखबार के माध्यम से। तो एलआई और वो इंटेलिजेंट है, वो काम उनका है।
तो मीटिंग करने आए थे ना एसपी साहब, तो क्या बात हुई?
वो तो यही कि किस तरह की ठीक व्यवस्था हो रही नहीं हो रही, किस तरह की बात।
Amidst the ongoing deadlock over the farm laws, the government and farmers are going to be holding 10th round of talks at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan at 2 p.m. We'll get you all the updates at 2. In the talks held thus far, there's been no concrete outcome, even as farmers' agitation is continuing for nearly 2 months now. While the farmers are now pushing for the repealing of laws, the government is now still insisting on amendments to address the issues faced by the farmers. Meanwhile, the army has asked veterans to not don uniforms or display medals while attending farmer protests. Sources said that uniforms or medals cannot be worn while attending a public gathering or protests.
जो कह रहे हैं कि खेती तीनों कानूनों को रद्द करने की रिपील जो है, उनको रद्द करने की बात छोड़कर किसी और विकल्पों या और बिंदुओं पर गलबात करने के लिए किसान आए। किसान बिल्कुलों, किसान जथेबंदियां दे आगू या किसान बिल्कुल ये गल मानने को तैयार नहीं। असी तो उसकी रिपील पर खड़े हैं और तिन्ने खेती कानून रद्द किए जाएँ और MSP का वक्रा कानून बनाया जाए, उससे कम सानू कोई भी मंजूर नहीं। असी अपनी बात पर बिल्कुल अड़ेंगे।
Kamalji Sandhu is now joining us, reporting from outside the Vigyan Bhavan. Kamalji, we've seen so many rounds of talks take place between the centre and the protesting farmers with no plausible resolution coming in from either side. This is the 10th round of talks we're talking about at 2 p.m. today. What is your expectation and what are you picking up from sources? Is this going to be another one of those talks where nothing really comes out of it?
The status quo remains. So the farmers are adamant with their demand. Remember, there are multiple set of meetings which are going to take place. One which is currently going on in Vigyan Bhavan. The Supreme Court is also hearing a petition, and at 2 o'clock, that's when the farmers and the government of India really meet. So these are the 3 meetings taking place. But what is important and significant is the Republic Day celebrations. Now the government says they're going to be marred by a separate celebration being observed by the farmers who have decided to enter Delhi through tractor rally, something they have objected to and have also taken the stance in the court itself. Now what they're saying, and today's meeting will highlight, is that the meeting of the outer ring road is something which is not acceptable either to the government or even that is being conveyed by Delhi police to the farmers. This is something which is going to be a new point of contention between the farmers and the government because the farmers have been saying that they want to carry out a peaceful rally, that they do not want to mar the main function which is going to be held at Rajpath, that they respect the sentiments, but they should be allowed to hold a peaceful rally. Now, Delhi's police contention is that they will have a separate route chalked out, but that route will be decided by Delhi police, and they are the ones who will tell to the farmers as to how many people can carry out the tractor rally. So clearly, it seems that there is going to be a new point of contention, and in the meeting is Delhi police, Haryana police and UP police, and at least a handful of farmers before the 2 p.m. meeting with the government and the main farmers.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.